disable YouTube restricted mode on Android or iOS in 2026. So if you want to disable YouTube restricted mode on Android or iOS in 2026, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your YouTube application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now, after opening your YouTube, you need to go with your profile, which will be on the bottom. From the profile, you need to go with settings or the gear-shaped icon, which will be in the top right. And once you're on a gear-shaped icon here, you will have a lot of options. So you need to just go with general, which will be in the first. And here you will have restricted mode. This helps hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate, but the setting is only applied to the app in this device. So go and disable the restricted mode. In my case, I've already disabled, but if you want to disable it, you need to just toggle it off. That's how you can disable YouTube restricted mode on Android or your iOS. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.